What do breaks without machines running cost? In modern manufacturing facilities, shop floor equipment is the avenue to production. Shop floor equipment can also be the source of very specific and significant downtime. Some of the common causes of machinery downtime include breaks, where operators leave machines unattended. Take a proactive approach to these downtimes with Scytec DataXchange, the leader in smart factory solutions. Scytec DataXchange captures breaks automatically and will track them for historical reporting. Breaks are necessary for operators to rest and recharge, but they can also lead to a loss of production time if not managed effectively. The goal for manufacturers is for machines to keep running while operators take breaks. DataXchange can track the amount of break time, as well as empower operators to have more relaxed breaks, knowing their machines are running by either watching them from a TV or their own devices in the lunchroom. The cumulative impact of these machine breaks can add up quickly and result in a significant loss of production time, lower productivity, and increased costs. By identifying areas for improvement and implementing best practices with Scytec DataXchange, you can evolve your shop floor. In most environments, producing just one additional part per month during these breaks can pay for a DataXchange license. For more information, please visit scytec.com.